Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Siti Zaratul Kashana binti Jarmin.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Azikin binti Judin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Sazbinawati.
Assalamualaikum and hello to Miss Nurzana. My name is Tia Darwina.
Question 1. Principal for bank A and bank B is RM40,000 and the investment period which is T is 5 years. After that, we need to find the annual interest rate which is K and number of compounding periods per year which is M. To find the annual interest rate and number of compounding periods per year, we need to look at the information first. So, the annual interest rate for bank A 0.035. The M for bank A is 4. It is because compounded quarterly. So for bank B, the annual interest rate is 0.04 and M for bank D is 12. It is because compounded monthly. After that, we need to find interest rate per compounding period. We use formula I equal K divided M. So for bank A, 0.035 divided 4 and interest rate per compounding period for bank A is 7 divided 800. After that, we need to find the number of compounding period. We use formula N equal M times T. So for bank A, 4 times 5 and the total number of compounding period for bank A is 20. So after that, we need to find interest rate per compounding period and total number of compounding period for bank B. To find the interest rate per compounding period, we use the same formula. So 0.04 divided 12 and the interest rate per compounding period is 1 divided 300. After that, we need to find the total number of compounding period. We use the same formula. So 12 times 5. So the answer for total number of compounding period is 60. So after that, we need to find the total amount after 5 years. We use the compound interest formula. The formula is S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power N. So we substitute the value for bank A. Principal for bank A is RM40,000. I for bank A is 7 divided 800. N for bank A is 20. So S equal RM40,000 open bracket 1 plus 7 divided 800 close bracket power 20. So after calculate, we get the answer. The answer for S is RM47,613.59. So bank B, we use the same formula. So we substitute the value for bank B. So principal for bank B is RM40,000. The I for bank B is 1 divided 300. The N for bank B is 60. So S equal RM40,000 open bracket 1 plus 1 divided 300 close bracket power 60. After we calculating, we get the answer for S is RM48,889.96 and bank B give RM48,889.96. So bank B provide the higher return. So it is the better choice for M. So for first 5 years, the interest rate is 3% compounded quarterly. So the annual interest rate which is K is 0.03 and the M is 4. It is because compounded quarterly. So after that, we need to find interest rate per compounding. We use the formula I equal K divided M. So 0.03 divided 4 and the answer is 3 divided 400. After that, we need to find the number of compounding period. We use the formula N equal M times T. So 4 times 5, the answer is 20. The amount after 5 years is called S1 and it becomes the principal for the next period. So next 4 years, the interest rate is 4.5% compounded every 2 months. So the annual interest rate, which is K, is 0.045 and M is 6. It is because compounded every 2 months.
And then we need to find the interest rate per compounding. So 0.045 divided 6. So the answer is 3 divided 400.
After that, we need to find the time for this period. We call T2. So 9 minus 5. So the answer is 4 years. After that, we need to find the number of compounding period, which is N. So 6 times 4 and the answer is 24. So we want to know how much money we must invest today so that it becomes RM10,000 after 24 periods. We using the formula S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power N. So RM10,000 equal P open bracket 1 plus 3 divided 400 close bracket power 24. And then we need to calculate the growth factor and we get the answer is 1.196413529. And then we need to substitute. So RM10,000 equal P open bracket 1.196413529 close bracket. After that, we bring the P to in front and then
10,000
must divided with the growth factor. So P equal 10,000 divided 1.196413529. After calculate, we get the answer for principal is RM 8,358.31. So the present value is RM 803,058.31. Next, we use the amount RM 8,358.31 as a new future value. So this time, the number of periods is 20 because it refers to an earlier time. So we use the same formula. So RM 8,358.31 equal P open bracket 1 plus 3 divided 400 close bracket power 20. After that, we need to calculate the growth factor and we get the answer for growth factor is 1.161184142. Now we need to substitute. So RM 8,358.31 equal P open bracket 1 plus 1 611.84142 close bracket. So P equal RM 8,358.31 divided with 1.1611.84142. So we calculate and get the answer for principal is RM 7,198.09.
I will explain solution for question 3. We are asked to find two things, which is the total interest earned and the value of K. So for part A, the formula is very simple, which is I equal S minus P. So 18,500 ringgit minus 16,000. So we get the answer 2,500 ringgit. For part B, we use the formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power n. First thing first, we need to search for the n. The formula for n is n equal m times p. So 4 times 3, we get the answer 12. After that, we use the formula that I mentioned earlier. So 18,500 ringgit equals 16,000 bracket 1 plus I bracket power 12. So 16,000 we move to the left, so it becomes 18,500 per 16,000. So after we multiply it, we get 1.15625. After that, the 12, power 12, we move to the left, so it becomes bracket 1.15625 bracket power 1 per 12. After we calculate it, we get 1.012171984. So after that, we need to minus it with 1, and we get the answer I equals 0.012171984. Then we move to the next formula, which is I equal K per M, because we need to search for the K. So I is 0.12171984 equal K per 4. Then it becomes K equals 0.012171984 times 4. After we get the answer 0.04688, we need to times it with 100, and we get the answer K equal 4.87%.
Today I'm going to explain question 4. So the information given was, for the cash price, it equals to 850,000. For the down payment, we have to 180,000 times 60% equals to 108,000 ringgit. For A, we have to minus CP with DP, so 850,000 minus 108,000 equals to 742,000 ringgit. For the time, we have 30 years. For the K, they gave us 4.6%, so we have to times it with 100. So the K is 0.046. So for the M, we have 12 because it is compounded monthly. So to find the I, we have to use the formula given, which is I equals to K divided by M. So I equals to 0.046 divided 12. So the answer for I is 23 per 6,000. So next, to find the N, we have to times M with T. So 12 times 30 equals to 360. After we use the formula given, which is A, we first find the loan amount by subtracting the down payment for the house price. Then, since the loan is paid every month, we convert the yearly interest into a monthly rate and find the number of monthly payment over 60 years. Using the housing loan, it is annuity formula, we calculate how much Amir must pay every month. This gives the monthly installment of about 6,803.82 ringgit. So okay, next I'm going to explain question 2. We use the formula I equals to NR minus A. So 360 times 3,808.82 minus 742,000 ringgit. So we got the answer, and it is 627,375.20 ringgit. Next is C. To calculate this question, okay, we need to use the formula given, which is A, the annuity formula. So after 288 payments, there are 72 payments left. We calculate the present value of those remaining payments using the same monthly rate. This shows the remaining loan balance that has not been paid yet, which is about 238,982,073 ringgit. For the last question, we use the S formula. If Amir missed the first 5 monthly payments, they are not cancelled. They accumulate interest every month. So each missed payment grows according to how long it has been overdue. We add all 5 overdue amounts together to find how much he must pay on the 6th month to clear the arrears. This gives a total of 23,042.76 ringgit. That's all for question 4. Thank you.
CP equal 8,990 ringgit and DP we're gonna times it. 0.15 times 18,999 ringgit, and we got 2,849 ringgit 85 cents. And we're gonna find the A. So I'm gonna use the formula A equals CP minus DP. CP, we got 8,999 ringgit minus 2,849 ringgit 85 cents equal 16,149 ringgit 15 cents. A equals 16,149 ringgit 15 cents. R equal 488 ringgit. K equal 0.0525. M equal 12. T, so we're gonna find the T. Before we find the T, we must find the I first. I equal K divided by M. I equal 0.0525 divided by 12. 7 divided by 1,600. And we're gonna find the N. N equal M times T. N equal 12T. To find the T, we're gonna use the formula A equal R open bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative N divided by I close bracket. A 16,149 ringgit 15 cents equal 488 ringgit open bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 7 divided by 1,600 bracket the power of negative 12T divided by 7 divided by 1,600 close bracket. So the R, which is 488 ringgit, we're gonna move it in front, so it will be 16,149 ringgit 15 cents divided by 488 ringgit equal open bracket 1 minus bracket 1.004375 bracket the power of negative 12T divided by 7 divided by 1,600 close bracket. 33.09252049 bracket 7 divided by 1,600 bracket. So we're gonna move in front 7 divided by 1,600 at in front, so it will be times 2. 33.09252049 equal 1 minus bracket 1.004375 the power of negative 12T 0.144779777 equal 1 minus bracket 1.004375 bracket the power of negative 12T 1 we move at in front, it will be 1 minus 0.144779777 equal bracket 1.004375 bracket the power of negative 12T. It will be 0.855220223 equal bracket 1.004375 bracket the power of negative 12T. So in this situation, we're going to use the logarithm rules. So we're going to put the log 0.855220223 equal, and the power of negative 12T, we move it in front, it will be bracket negative 12T bracket log 1.004375, and the log 1.004375 we move it in front, it will be log 0.855220223 divided by log 1.004375 equal bracket negative 12T bracket negative 35.8258666 equal negative 12T. Negative 12 we change or we move at in front, it will be negative 35.8258666 divided by negative 12 equal T. T equal 3 years. Years we're going to change to months, it will be times, so T equal 3 times 12 months, T equal 26 months.